first started modeling many years ago, our agency taught us how to do our makeup and gave us tips for hair. And one thing that she mentioned was brushing our hair every single night with 100 passes, so that way the bristles on the brush is helping to stimulate my scalp for some blood flow. What's up, it's Sierra. Welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a super quick update of how I moisturize my hair without reversion, since I just learned that I have high porosity hair and that it's vital for me to make sure that I'm moisturizing it and keeping that moisture sealed in my strands, so that way I am preventing breakage and helping to retain length. I've been on top of making sure that I am moisturizing my hair. It's been 2 weeks since I washed and straightened my hair, and for the first like 5-6 days I didn't touch my hair, but since then every 3 days I've been doing this. So what I've been taking is my Mizani Hairdress. This is the coconut souffle. Here's what the consistency is like, and then I like to take about that much, and I just focus on putting it on the ends of my hair. Now you guys know that I also use the Mizani Rose H2O cream. There's some people who don't like the smell of that cream, and if you are not a fan of that smell, I believe you would actually like this one a lot more, because this one smells like coconut, and I recently learned that coconut oil is great for those with high porosity hair, so this one might even work better. But I'm really just making sure to saturate the ends of my hair, pushing it down in a downward motion, trying to force my open cuticles to close. What I usually like to do when I'm not ready to use an oil on my scalp to help with hair growth, I like to use the Moerie Ultimate Hair Growth Spray. I'll just do like a little corner because I'm actually gonna oil my scalp. I like spray it into my hair. It smells so good, and then I just rub it in. It has a little reversion in the roots, but I'd rather it be like that than super oily. However, on a day like today, since it's been already 2 weeks since I've washed my hair, I don't mind finally getting it oily all in my scalp. So I'm going to use my Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Hair Growth Serum. Get that up. First, I'm going to put it in my scalp, and then I'm just going to massage it in there, and then I'm going to put a few drops in my hand and seal the moisture from the Mizani cream to make sure it's all locked into the strands. I just ordered some coconut oil that I can use for my hair. I'm also going to be doing oil pulling with my oral routine, so I will link the coconut oil that I just got, because I'm going to switch over to really just using this on my scalp and then using the coconut oil on my ends. I also have everything that I've used in this video linked in the description box, but just wanted to show you guys what I have been doing lately to try to make sure that I am not really getting any breakage, so I can start to grow my hair back out after the multiple cuts I've had to endure these past few months. And then last thing I like to do once I have all this product in my scalp and hair, I like to take a paddle brush and brush my scalp all the way down to the ends, so that way the bristles on the brush is helping to stimulate my scalp for some blood flow, which also will help with hair growth. When I first started modeling a long time ago, many years ago, our agency taught us how to do our makeup and gave us tips for hair and how to dress and stuff, kind of just different things in our daily routine to start to incorporate to help making sure that we are presenting our best selves. And one thing that she mentioned was brushing our hair every single night with 100 passes. That's something that has never left me, something that I've always tried to make sure I incorporate, not necessarily 100, but I do try to paddle brush my hair every single day. Alright, so that is pretty much it. Since I am just going to be chilling at home, I am going to put my hair up in a claw clip, keep it off my robe to prevent it from rubbing. Yeah, this is the update. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and until the next video.